1956 Packard 400. Price: $14,750. Location: Oregon. Introducing a true symbol of mid-century American luxury, the 1956 Packard 400. This elegant hardtop stands as one of the final masterpieces produced during Packard's historic Detroit era. Finished in a beautiful Maltese blue with a contrasting onyx black roof, the car immediately captures attention with its bold yet refined presence. The design reflects the optimism and sophistication of the 1950s, making it a standout classic for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, this Packard is powered by a robust V8 engine, paired with the brand's renowned twin-ultramatic automatic transmission. Equipped with a Rochester 4-jet 4-barrel carburetor, the engine delivers smooth and confident performance. This combination was considered advanced for its time, offering both power and driving comfort, qualities that defined Packard as a premium automaker. The exterior showcases iconic styling details that elevate its vintage appeal. Chrome bumpers and trim gleam along the body, while the signature cormorant hood ornament proudly leads the way. Fender skirts enhance the streamlined silhouette, giving the car a sleek and luxurious profile. Completing the look are 15-inch steel wheels fitted with classic whitewall tires, reinforcing its authentic 1950s character. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a spacious and comfortable cabin designed with a focus on relaxation and style. The wide bench seats are upholstered in turquoise fabric with black and white accents, creating a striking yet harmonious interior. The dashboard features analog gauges and a classic clock, while the push-button radio and fender-mounted antenna add to the nostalgic driving experience. Every detail inside reflects the craftsmanship and design philosophy of its era. This Packard 400 is offered with a running engine, though it will require additional work to become fully road-ready. However, this is precisely what makes it an exciting opportunity. For collectors, restorers, or classic car enthusiasts, this vehicle presents a chance to bring a rare piece of automotive history back to life. As one of the last Packard models built in Detroit, the 1956 Packard 400 holds significant historical value. It represents the closing chapter of an iconic American brand, making it more than just a car. It's a story, a legacy, and a timeless piece of design waiting to be revived and appreciated once again.